Hi, this is Larry Kearney. Welcome to my review of the new system called Affiliate Directive Review. Now, they thought it was all a big scam until I showed them my affiliate account, revealed the simple secret system that made me $12,119 in 1 week. Now, I'm going to review the program. You're going to see exactly what's in the program. And also, I will show you the bonuses that you will receive if you decide to purchase through my link. Now, let's get with the bonuses, get the bonuses out the way. Now, if you decide to purchase this course through my link, you'll get 36 mega bonus courses for free. That's over $16,000 in value, retail value. One of the courses is the Viral Traffic Blast. You better go viral with any link or product. Social media marketing, lead generation, marketing automation, Pinterest, how to rank on the first page of Google, Facebook ads secrets, Google AdSense profit tips and tricks, TikTok. All these are great courses to help you make more money online with any offer. Instagram, free traffic exchange networks, Pinterest, how to make $2,000 in 20 minutes with Facebook groups, launch jacking, which is very popular, very popular these days. So you get all that. Now let's go here, get back into the course here. So this is a course by Trevor Carr, which he's a top internet marketer. He puts out great courses all the time, and this one is no different. This is a great course, particularly if you're starting out or you haven't made money online. Now this is the actual, once you purchase the course, this is the system. Here's the introduction, affiliate marketing explain, proof this works, overcoming hurdles, your traffic options. These are all excellent training. Introduction, WordPlus, JVZoo, ClickBank. Most of you probably know that. And the core trainings, preparation, your first audience, your first steps, the review, traffic to your review. So this covers everything. Recap, your homework, scaling to $10,000 per month. So this is a complete course. After the launch period, he's going to push this to over $100, but right now I believe it's about $17 $5 off there, because with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So it's an excellent course. You'll see that it has, once you get into the course, it has everything you need from A to Z to start making money, particularly if you haven't made money online before. So this is, as I said before, Trevor Carr puts out excellent courses. He's actually using this course to make these techniques to make money today. This is not something he just made up or read somewhere or grabbed from YouTube video. This is actually courses, systems that he used personally, and he makes money, daily. Now, don't get me wrong, it's not realistic to think you're going to start and make $12,000 with this course in the next 7 days. That's just not going to happen. But it can get you on the right track to start making money. Whether it's $50 a day, $100 a day, $200 a day, it will help you make money. I reviewed the system. Matter of fact, all the systems that he used in this course, I use every day. Every single day, I use every system that he already has in here. So I know this works. This is Larry Kearney. Make sure you click the link below. Get started. This is a solid opportunity, because as I said before, if you're not making money now, this is the best information you could find to start making money online today, or at least in the next 24 hours. Okay, don't forget to click the link below, and thank you for watching the video.